In this example, we're asked to find the volume of a cylinder with a diameter of 3 inches and a height of 5 inches, and we want to use 3.14 as an approximation for pi, and we're going to round our answer to the nearest tenth. The first thing that we have to look at before we could solve the problem, though, is the equation that we would use to find the volume of a cylinder. To find the volume of a cylinder, we have the area of the base times the height. So we need to find the area of this base, and then we want to multiply it by the height. So to do that, we have to first understand that our base was a circle, and we know the diameter was 3 inches. And our formula to find the area of a circle was pi r squared. So what we do here is we take pi r squared and then we multiply it by the height. So we could plug everything in and figure out our answer here. So if we take pi, we want to use the approximation of 3.14 for pi. And then we're going to multiply that by radius squared. Our diameter is 3 inches, and the radius is half of that. So our diameter here is 3, which means the radius would be 1.5. And we're going to multiply it by 1.5 again, because that is radius squared. And then we want to multiply all of that by our height. So we could multiply in any order we want here. I would recommend using the Desmos calculator if you have it. If not, any calculator will work. Once we multiply all of these, we end up with 35.325. And if we are to round this to the nearest tenth, that is our 10th spot, and that 2 is not going to change that. So we could say that the area or the volume of this cylinder, is approximately 35 3/10. Our unit was inches, and that would be in the form of inches cubed.